chicken.
That walk out in somebody's favor.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog, welcome back to the family. If you're new here, I'm Dee. We post lifestyle content, family content. Today we're spending some time with some family and friends, so come along and come spend the day with us. If you're new here, consider subscribing to join the family. If you're returning, thank you guys so much. We love y'all. Let's go.
No, I
know with this.
They're not coming.
When they come in after them, they make up your loading.
So we have a chance.
Yeah, we have a chance.
I breeze control.
Right? Come in. Come in, man. Come in, no, man. You know why we go play with them, you know? You do. Because you're not so good, so I'm not so good either, so I want to play with you.
Hey, you want to play with you?
I don't want to play with because you're not so good. Yes, then I cut, we call it cut short. I will go. I will go. I saw I go. Yeah. So embarrassed. I will let me go again. I'm a pose, but I will play next.
I'm cooking and I'm gonna do chicken and rice. Yeah.
That walk out in somebody's favor.
No, but so safe.
No, man. Nobody. I never take up none of them, man.
You are fool. I saw you were
One.
Jesus.
You would kill that, then Rasta. Yeah. One. We know that, we have none. Yeah, I'm Rasta. Watch him. Watch him. Make again. Lie.
If you take, put it right there.
You could do more
Ella, play domino.
Good play.
Ella,
Go on,
come in. Ella, come in, Ella, come in.
I want to see next one.
I white one, give me white one.
Pick a pass.
Plug in the white one and push it through yourself.
I want to play live.
Me go take off the
I want to plan to kill double five, yeah. I want them over there winning game and still want to kill people double.
Nah, you got chance.
Yeah.
So that's why you say you can't play game, can
Hey, and a pass.
Who pass?
Me and someone can't play none. Are you there? See you can't play and you pass.
I'm the play. Do not get me.
Rasta, joke thing in the banana. A trick way. Trick way.
When I play game, that's what I mean.
Jesus, king we are. Where them foolish at?
Someone for me. No. I don't know that.
No.
Then Then them are 260 go 260 and family. Oh, you want to take this thing right to the road. Oh, I lie. I true.
You want to pull that by that one.
I want to call. I want to me hand. Come in. Come.
That's the one kill with the road chain blank. Me can't better. Me take the one in the low and get people.
This on the board.
No.
Yeah, put it up there, Ella.
As a sign. Anyway, put it. It works.
Curry bubble. And this is the rice. Need to steam out a little bit more. One big pot of rice, and then we're good to go.
Yo, I want to rest of the food. One and one stay so. And the zip back. And the bitches are very What's this master? Yo, I rest of the memory right now. Watch it. Everything a joke. No joke. No chatting. Hold them.
Very happy. Somebody.
You want to send somebody go get ice?
Eat food, man. Eat the food. Eat the food and make on the belly bust.
See this?
Yeah. Wanna beat him up. You wanna beat him up. Yeah.
Just ice and bread. So I try to not say we should have Peter to pass something.
Sit here, man.
I sing and I can buy liquor. I'm trying to make people don't. We didn't tell me no. No, you have to tell my shop.
The sweet man.
The sweet, father. Sweet. Listen now. Me love the wing, but me not love the...
Come on. Somebody actually kind of don't need it.
Yo! Yo, boss, certified. Come on, get certificate.
Man, we don't tell them about it.
Yes, sir.
Hold on, so you celebrate your first Father's Day with you?
Yeah.
If boy can't call out, tell me how license to drive truck.
Man,
Yeah, Emmanuel said,
end up on YouTube.
Emmanuel said, what kind of license do you have? Class 5. Oh, that means you can't drive a truck then.
Baby, we're in
That girl trucking up long time too. No one drive a truck. I read you, so I go for real.
How are you, man?
You have to check some of my loony. Eat that first.
It's half an hour. No, it's not serious in idea, but fun arguing. Yeah, fun arguing.
My goodness. Good morning, y'all. It's the other day. It's a new day. I'm about to drop these kids off to summer school. Yesterday was a vibe. We had fun. The kids had fun. It was good. We got home so late last night. I did not pick the camera up. Way about 11:30 thereabout we got home, so yeah, so about to drop my nephew, I'm about to drop him off to summer school, then I'm gonna get home. I'm doing some washing, I'm going to finish that. Man, I'm tired, but life goes on. It was good though, seeing family members we haven't seen in a while. But that's what we got going on today. I gotta go and get some stuff for the business because tomorrow is Friday. Not sure what else. But guys, continue to like, share and subscribe. If you got this far in the video and you haven't given us a thumbs up, please do. Thank you guys as always for tuning in. We love you guys so much. Thank you all for the support. Who drive on the right? Lights in here are always ridiculous.
that way. And this is what I'm getting right here. I'm not going down there, you know. This is what we're here for. Come here, Sasha. Argentina flop team.